Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an Aadhaar based DSC for an individual. So how to create individual DSC? First of all, you need to log into your cash portal, and after successfully you have logged into your cash portal, on the extreme right hand side top corner, there you'll see an option which says orders. Under orders, once you select the second option which says create new order. So from that create new order page, you would be given three choices. One is your paperless DSC, the second one is online Aadhaar OTP, and then the third one is online Aadhaar biometric device option. So all the three options are paperless only. So probably here in this video, we are going to select the middle option, which is the online Aadhaar OTP. Once you select the Aadhaar OTP based DSC, it will ask you to enter three details. One is your registered mobile number, which is already mapped with your Aadhaar, and then followed by your email ID and then your PAN number. Once you enter these three details, you need to click on next. Once you click on next, there you will see an Aadhaar number page wherein you will have to enter your Aadhaar number. Click the checkbox in order to give your consent and then click on get OTP. As soon as you click on get OTP, you will receive an OTP onto your registered mobile number. If not, there is an option to click on resend OTP. Again, you will be receiving the OTP onto your registered mobile number if in the first instance you would have not received it. Now entering the OTP, you need to click on the checkbox. It is again a consent that you have no objection authenticating yourself through Aadhaar based mechanism. Then click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, the screen would appear which will validate all the details that is fetched from the Aadhaar server directly. You need to again click on the checkbox in order to give your consent that you have no objection authenticating yourself through Aadhaar based authentication system. Once you click on this checkbox, click on next. Now in this page, it will ask you to enter few details. Although few of the details would have been already fetched using your Aadhaar credentials, but you need to enter your PAN number. This is mandatory only in case if you are processing for income tax. Otherwise for GST, it is not mandatory part. After that, there are three things which is mandatory, which is eKYC ID. It's an alphanumeric ID starting with a minimum 4 character, and you can choose any of your alphanumeric combinations, but it should not exceed maximum eight characters. This is minimum 4 letters wrong, but maximum it could be 8. Now in eKYC pin, it's a 6-digit numeric pin which you can set as per your choice. After that, you need to click on get OTP. So once you click on get OTP, again you will receive the OTP directly. This time you will be receiving this OTP directly from Capricorn's end. You need to enter the OTP, click on the checkbox and select the appropriate method to make the payment. Once you have made the payment, you need to click on you would be given few options, like in case if in case your applicant says that they have not received the video upload link or any email verification link, you can probably click on send video upload link, which is there in front of your screen, and you can also select the option as send email verification link. And now your order is generated successfully. Now you may ask your applicant to simply click on email to complete the video recording process, and mobile confirmation is done. If the mobile OTP, you can either share it with your the applicant will share it with you, or the applicant would be also receiving an option wherein in his mobile device, even if he or she simply clicks on the link, the mobile gets verified. Once the mobile verification is done, video recording is completed, then you need to put that order number in your portal itself in the chat and support option in order to get it approved by Capricorn team. Thank you.